5, 6, 7, 8. The main reason I'm doing this video is to show off my keyboard. Mechanical keyboard, that is. It's by LOFREE and I've had this since May 2018, so it's been over 1 year now. 1.5 years. So my main work is actually copywriting and content writing, sometimes content creation. Those three things are totally different. People might get confused. And copywriting is nothing to do with any legal service. It just means doing sales with words, like all the ads that you see on social media or by the roadside, whatever with words, whatever that makes you want to buy stuff. That's copywriting. And then I also do content writing with articles, and I've got my own blog. So yeah, basically I love writing. I've always loved writing ever since I was a kid, but funny enough, my degree was not a literature or content writing or whatever. It was natural sciences, biology and chemistry. Alhamdulillah, I can make an income by doing what I like to do. I think I like to do this. I don't know, I enjoy it. It doesn't mean that I regret studying science. I love science as well. Yeah, I'm that kind of person who loves just both science and art. And yeah, it's just that right now I've got the courage to actually explore my creativity and see how I can merge that with science. About this keyboard, I think I saw it on FB as an ad, and then it brought me to a Kickstarter page or some kind of like Kickstarter page. This is like, you know, they do like if you get this now you get a discount, and I thought it was worth it. I went on their website and I looked it up. It's legit. Around that time, early 2018, I was building myself up as a copywriter. I was just obsessed with anything mechanical, you know, all the typewriter and all that stuff. I think early that year, I think the same year, or is it the year before, I can't remember, I actually got a typewriter from my grandma. Like, she had a typewriter at her house. Apparently it was used by my aunt as well. So yeah, it's not like a very old typewriter. It's probably not older than the 50s. Yeah. I was obsessed. But anyway, what I really wanted was the feeling of having a typewriter. I know that having a typewriter is not very convenient in this digital age. My work is like online. I at least, you know, to satisfy myself, I want to have a feel of a typewriter, but at the same time still be connected to my laptop. So I thought, yeah, a mechanical keyboard would do the trick. I don't want any mechanical keyboard, and I don't want it to be too expensive. So I'm so glad that I found LOFREE, and it looks cool. Like, it still looks like vintage-ish, not really, but yeah, it connects, yeah, it connects, yeah, it connects via Bluetooth. It can connect to both Mac and Windows, and it's been good so far. I don't have to change the battery or anything. Oh! No, you don't need a battery. There's a charger. Duh, I forgot that. I'm not that type of person who just like buys things compulsively. I literally took my time. Well, not all the time, because you know, they had the offer, and I got a solid few days, I would say, to think about it. I thought that this is a good investment, and it really helped so far because I really actually use it and it makes me feel calm. I don't have to be so close to the laptop either, so it's good for my like eyesight. So the laptop is like that, and then I'm like here-ish, and so like you know, kind of like having a desktop, but not really. So yeah, with the discounted price, I think it's around, if I remember correctly, 300 ringgit, nearly 100 USD if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I got it. I think it's quite reasonable considering the quality. I even brought it to my previous full-time job. Now that I work remotely, I don't have to worry about bothering anyone with a clickety-clack. But to be honest, like, no one was actually bothered. They were fascinated even, and if they were bothered, they would put on their headphones on. Definitely one of the best decisions that I've made in my life. LOFREE, sponsor me please. So yeah, that's all I want to show. And you know, I just purposely wear this scarf to match my keyboard. I love this color so much. I'm glad I chose this one. Hope you like this video. It's been a long time coming, and I'll see. Oh shit. This is Ike, by the way. Hi. Hope you have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. So this came in the mail. Finally. Ooh. Nice. Okay, wait. Shiny. Yes, wow, so pretty. Thanks, LOFREE.